Hi friends. Abby and Ashley here. We wanted to share the March warmer of the month and also the March scent of the month. So the warmer is this cute little guy. It's called Hoppy Easter Warmer. It's an element warmer, farmhouse style. It's a hand carved look and it's hand painted. So there's no light bulb with him. It's an element warmer. There's a heating element inside. And this is where you put your wax. So he's really cute. My kids are really into bunnies. We have one that lives in the backyard, so they're very excited about this one. I found these at Walmart for a couple bucks, and I think I'm gonna decorate with that, with the warmer. I think I'm gonna put him on there like that in the house somewhere. So that is the March warmer of the month.
I think I just heard the bunny.
What'd you hear?
I thought I just heard the bunny crawl.
This is the March scent of the month, the strawberry lemon cake. I only have the cover because I already made a bunch of samples with it. It's a, yeah. You can smell it? It's a bakery fragrance.
That's good.
Yeah, so it says it's fresh strawberries, added sweet surprise to lemon zest and vanilla buttercream, creating a perfectly delicious confection. So it's definitely a bakery scent if you like those. So the March scent and warmer of the month is 10% off the whole month of March. The fragrance strawberry lemon cake comes in the wax bar, of course. It also comes in room spray and a scent circle. All right. Thanks, everybody.